The 6T was one of the best phones I've ever used, and I've been waiting all year for the next iteration. Well, the wait is finally over. The 7 Pro is here. OnePlus bounced back with some major upgrades, and I can't wait to test them out. So let's not wait any longer. Let's jump into the unboxing. Alright, so I got the T-Mobile version. So only two ways you can really get it is get it through T-Mobile, or you can buy it directly through OnePlus, in which you can be able to use it with any carrier you like. But since I'm already with T-Mobile, I just ran in the store and just grabbed one real quick. T-Mobile only sells one configuration, which is the 256 gigs and 8 gigs of RAM. You can take a quick look at the spec sheet. We ain't gonna get too in detail with these right now, but let's chop this thing open and see what's inside. All right, bust them two tabs open. Put the little boxing knife to the side. Damn, this red look good. This red box already look dope, man. The packaging look nice. Red my favorite color, so I'm already liking this one. So up top, oh, look like we got a case. No, that's one of the lit things that T-Mobile does. That it's one of the good things is that OnePlus always package a case with you. It's a pretty nice clear case. Damn. Got the SIM ejector tool, come with the extra SIM and all your little books. Oh, got a little sticker. Might have used that one. All right, up top we got the beast. The beast in the building. Crack that thing open. Damn, that blue look good. And we call this the Nebula Blue. It's actually bigger than I thought it would be. Feels pretty big, but let's drop this to the side and see what else we have in here. It's a big charging brick. I thought it would have been red or match the color of the phone, but I feel like the 6T, the charging brick was red. This is a new warp charger. It's supposed to be a lot faster than the last one. Let's see the cord. Okay, so the cable is red. The charging brick is white. Or maybe I was wrong. Maybe the last charging brick was also white, and just the cable is red. Should be USB type C to your regular USB. And that's all we got in the box. That's all we got in the box. So let's slide all this to the side and clean this up real quick. All right, so let's take a quick look around. On the left side, you got the volume rocker. On the top, that's that pop-out camera. On the right side, you got the mutes toggle, power button, and the bottom, you got the USB type C and the speaker. And it's supposed to have front firing speakers, so it should be a dual speaker setup. And on the back, damn, that blue look good. I don't know if y'all can really see it on the camera, but that blue just popped. You got like the dark to the light blue. But yeah, you got the 3 camera setup, the regular camera, the ultra wide, and the telephoto. That's a 3x zoom telephoto. And yo, one of the like best things that ever happened to like a cell phone camera is that wide ultra wide camera. Like, it's crazy how much I use that. I barely probably use the zoom, but the ultra wide, that's like a must have now in 2019. You gotta have that ultra wide camera. But yeah, let's power this on, see if we got any juice. Okay. Well, I hope it ain't come dead. All right, there we go. So let it start up real quick. All right, I'm just do a quick little setup, put all my information in, and jump right back in. Let's just run through the OS. All right, I'm back. Yo, the first thing I noticed is how crazy fast this phone is. The 90 hertz refresh rate is lit. Like it the 6T was already like one of the most responsive phones I've ever used. And I've been using the S10 for like the last like month and a half now. And it's crazy how much more responsive this is. It just makes the S10 seems like a phone from like 2, 3 years ago. I mean, this is running the same Snapdragon 855 processor, but the refresh rate just makes this like a completely new experience than the 60 hertz refresh rates that's on the S10. So that's like one of the things instantly I realized that this phone is doing. So I made a few quick settings after I loaded all my apps up. Automatically changed it to the dark theme. So I just changed some of the display settings. So this like a quick, we can see right here, the refresh rate right now is at 90 hertz. And I also changed the theme to dark. To me, the dark theme looked better. And I also changed the accent color from blue to red because I just like red. But a couple things. And also another thing, the fingerprint reader is crazy fast. Like just look at this. Like this is almost a 5 time improvement from the 6T. And you know the 6T was the first phone to have the 6T was the first phone to have the in-display fingerprint reader, and it worked well, but it was nowhere as close to this responsive. It's like it's almost as responsive, if not the same response as the capacitive fingerprint readers. Now, I don't know if this is really secure because I mean this is incredible how fast this is going. It's like I'm barely tapping on it and it opens up. So that's like incredibly fast. And hold on, I can't even forget the like the I can't even forget this, but check this out. This like probably like the coolest part of the phone. Look at that. Like I think I'm just gonna just break this plane with this. It's that pop-up camera is really lit. But let's do a quick camera test. Let me grab something real quick to take a picture of. Let's hit Groot up real quick and see how the camera work. Now let's check it out. Well, that's good. But yeah, I mean that picture looks good. Do a quick little zoom shot. Get a quick shot in. Damn, even the zoom picture looks really clear. Like these cameras look all lit, but I'm gonna give it a full run through. But damn, this picture is sharp. And this is a 48 megapixel on the main camera. And I believe the 3x zoom is only 8 megapixel. And the ultra wide is at 16 megapixel. But yeah, during the full review, I'm gonna put these cameras to the test. Like right now, they look good on the initial impressions, but it's good. But I mean, the responsiveness, I think this 90 hertz display is just what it is right now. I think they just set the standard right now for a display, and it looks good. But real quick, probably let's check out some of the audio. Run one of my videos real quick. Check out the dual.
On a 3-week back order since its release.
Oh, this is loud.
The initial batch sold out, and that only lasted about an hour. I finally got mine, so let's see what the hype is all about. Let's do some unboxing.
Yeah, the speakers sound good. I don't know what else. I mean, that's really it so far. One of the things that I don't like already is the lack of wireless charging. Since it doesn't have wireless charging, also doesn't have power share. And I actually use that quite often. But I think I can pass because the new warp charger should juice me up really fast. So hopefully I won't miss the wireless charger too much. But man, this phone, I mean, it looks amazing. This color, like I don't even want to put the clear case on it. I just want to hold on, wipe off the fingerprints. Yeah, I don't even want to put a case on. It's like, look how good that blue is. Shit, yeah. All right, that's it, man. All right, I'm not even gonna hold it up any longer. I'm popping my SIM out, the S10, and we putting it in the 7 Pro. Like, I can't even wait to like take this out into the wild and really test this thing out. Just the initial impressions right now is like blowing me. This is crazy how dope this phone is. And let's get this SIM. All right, the SIM card is going in. It's real now. Boom, we in there. All right, the SIM card is in there. It's lit now. We in there, it's all through. We're gonna run a full review, put it through its paces, come back to y'all and let y'all know what I think. But that's it. I'm Joe, and I'm out.